guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I am going to be starting off a weekend get it done with me style. Jake, my husband, and my oldest daughter just left. They went out of town for a soccer trip, and so I am home without my husband all weekend long, and so I'm going to use this time to spend time with my other three, but also getting some things done. I do want to thank today's video sponsor. It is Built Bar, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that Built Bar is my #1 favorite protein bar, and I'm so thankful for them sponsoring this weekend Get It Done with me. I will share more with you guys about Built Bar here in a second, but it is Friday afternoon when I am filming this intro. It is 2 o'clock. And I am going to start tackling my to-do list for the weekend. I wrote it all out, so let me show you guys what I'm hoping to get done this weekend while I am husband-free. All right, so here is what we are working with this weekend. I do want to obviously get some work done, film some videos, prepare a sale on my website. I have a Zoom call this weekend for a homeschool consult. I have some things that I've been wanting to get done as far as just like some record keeping. These are all the errands that I need to do. Lowe's, I need to buy some paint for an upcoming laundry room project. I want to get some plants potted in the backyard. I have a return to make. Grocery pickup, of course. We need a birthday shop while the birthday girl is out of town. And then here's the cleaning that I want to get done. I want to wash our area rug, wash my sheets, vacuum the house. So I made my grocery list right here. And so I'm going to get started by simply placing my grocery order, but I just wanted to start off the video on a Friday afternoon for the weekend Get It Done with me. So Built Bar is going to be getting me through this busy weekend, getting things done, tackling my to-do list, which is something that just always makes me feel really happy and productive heading into another week. I wanted to use the time of not having my husband home where we get distracted, just hanging out and having fun, to get a lot of stuff done. And so Built Bar is going to be getting me through. If you guys have never heard of Built Bar, they are the absolute best tasting protein bars that you can find out there, with at minimum 17 grams of protein in every single bar. These bars are not filled with sugar. They're not filled with high carbohydrates. That is really going to offset the point of even eating a protein bar. So if you are trying to lose weight, stay healthy, curb your sweet tooth, satisfy your cravings, or you just enjoy having protein bars on hand, you're gonna love Built Bar. They are made with 100% real chocolate, and this is their mix box. Inside comes 12 different bars in here. So you guys can see we have a brownie chocolate, we have a cherry barcia, we have the almond, we have cookies and cream, which is so good. So many different flavors inside the mix box from Built Bar. So if you guys want to check out Built Bar, I will have a link down below for you guys, as well as a coupon code for 15% off anything on their website. Using my code Ashley15, you can save. They do also have Built Puffs, which are another really, really yummy treat tasting item. This one is the coconut marshmallow. There's only 140 calories in this Built Puff, with 17 grams of protein and only 6 grams of sugar. So you guys definitely check out Built Bar. They have so many delicious bars on their website, so many good products like the puffs I just showed you, and the coupon code works on everything, so take advantage of it. But I'm just super thankful to Built Bar for fueling me through homeschooling, busy weekends like this. Definitely gonna be having my Built Bar here as I get started with my to-do list, because up next is gonna be placing the grocery order and getting the vacuuming out of the way here on Friday as we roll into the weekend, and I'm gonna have my coffee and have my Built Bar. It's the perfect pairing. So make sure you check out the link down below, everything. So here I am sitting down to make my grocery order. I have my list with the things that I needed, as well as the to-do list that you guys saw earlier in the video. So I use grocery pickup for the weeks that I am not going to Costco. In general, that's the way that I do it. and just showing you guys a few of the things that I was grabbing at the grocery store. After I placed that order, I went upstairs and got the vacuuming done that I wanted to do. This is ordinarily my teenager's job, but since she was out of town and we have 4 dogs, vacuuming must be done, cannot be missed. So I was just getting everything vacuumed upstairs. I ended up doing all the bedrooms, although I did not film them all. So vacuumed all of the carpeting upstairs. Our downstairs is completely laminate flooring, so just needing to vacuum all of the carpet. After that, I went ahead and pulled out the books and photocopies that I needed to make for our prairie co-op that we are doing with our friends. If you guys follow on Instagram, you saw the launch of the spring educational bundle. This is something that I am doing with my friends and their kids, and we are doing it all together. So I needed to prepare for that for the week ahead. All right, guys, so this is the grocery haul for the week. I always do my groceries on the weekend, and it is Friday night, and I just went and picked up the groceries, so I'm able to check that off of the list. This is a fill-in grocery haul. I go to Costco bi-weekly, and so I go to just our regular grocery store for in-between items that we run out of. So this was around $230. So I'm gonna just start over here. I got a bag of golden potatoes. I got some skirt steak to make Philly cheesesteaks at home. I wanted to replenish the freezer, so I got some organic ground beef and 2 things of organic ground turkey under there. I got 36 eggs, 2 things of provolone cheese for the Philly cheesesteaks, the instant maple brown sugar oatmeal in the lower sugar, got the boar's head salami and boar's head low sodium turkey breasts, got some bananas. As you guys can tell, the produce is like the overwhelming section. I mean, the produce goes completely back here. So like, that is the thing we have to fill in the most, obviously, because produce does not stay good for 2 weeks. I got some organic yogurt squeezes, 2 things of Greek yogurt there. I got some squeezable sour cream. I got 6 of the Greek yogurt smoothie drinks. I got organic milk. We have green leaf lettuce, a ton of red bell pepper for the Philly cheesesteaks, and another recipe I'm making from the Magnolia Table cookbook, the sesame chicken, I think it is. I got 2 things of celery, 2 poblano peppers, some tomatoes, shredded carrots, carrot chips, cucumber, green bell pepper, organic blueberries and strawberries. And you're probably wondering like why some is organic and some isn't, and that's just because the store doesn't always have what I request. So we got organic apples and then a huge thing of navel oranges back there. We got the organic baby spring mix, 2 things of Annie's organic blueberry waffles, a bunch of rice cakes. My kids love having these with some peanut butter or cookie butter on it from Trader Joe's. So I got 2 things of apple cinnamon and 2 things of caramel. And that is a really good little snack that isn't gonna ruin your whole day for adults too. I got these popcorners, 4 bags of them. I love when Costco has the huge bags, but we haven't had those in a while. So I got these as just like a snack for the kids with lunches. I got the buns for the Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Meant to only order 1, but I got 2, so we'll just throw it in the freezer. Some artisano bread, some sourdough bread, some storage bags, and then 4 things of pineapple slices and sesame seeds for that recipe from the Magnolia cookbook. So this is everything for the grocery haul for this week. Like I said, it was around $230. So I'm gonna get this put away and then check it off of my weekend to-do list. So now it is an entire day later. It is Saturday morning and I went ahead and stripped my bed to wash all of the linen. Anytime I'm doing like a lot of laundry, I always make sure I start that right in the morning because it can take quite a while. So before I headed out for errands, I wanted to get all of the sheets into the laundry. And although you guys are gonna see here in the next clip that I was putting them back on the bed, that was actually much later in the day, but I organized it this way just for the flow of the video. So no, the sheets did not immediately wash themselves. It took a few hours and then I dried them and then I came home and put them on. All right, guys, it is Saturday morning and we are heading out for all of the errands. I have a bunch of things that I need to do. Need to go to Lowe's, the postal store, to get some, let them buy birthday presents for their sister. And of course, I have my Built Bar that I'm bringing as my morning snack. I had Olivia grab me one and she grabbed me the peanut butter brownie one. So that will be just thrown in my bag, but we are going to go out and run all of these errands, and when I get back I'll be able to check all of this off of my list, which will feel like a very big accomplishment. I got the sheets and the laundry before we left, so kind of doing two things at once there. I'll put them in the dryer as soon as we get back so I can put them on the bed tonight, and just getting things on my list done slowly but surely, because the thing that you guys saw at the beginning of the video with the consignment sale, that is going to take the majority of my time, and I'm probably going to work on that tonight after the kids go to bed for a few hours. And so I'm trying to get everything else done before that. And then I also have that Zoom homeschool call this afternoon. So busy day ahead, but we're going to get started with all of the errands. What did little sis pick out for big sis?
What else did I get her?
You got her the hair clips, the boba earrings, and
The cross.
let's see. Very cute boba earrings, daisy hair clip, and some cross earrings. Very sweet. So now you guys are seeing that we went over to Home Depot actually, and I love all of the succulents. I grabbed a few for the backyard, getting the Ruggable in the washer. All right, guys, we are able to check off a ton of things because we are home now. We've been home for a little bit, made lunch, did some other things, but the Ruggable is being washed. The sheets are being washed. We did the birthday shop. We did the Tilly's return. I did not get the paint. I'm gonna have to probably do that tomorrow. And then I'm not able to pot the plants that I bought. I bought them, but it is really cold today. It was actually just hailing a little bit ago. So I'm not gonna traumatize the plants with the crazy spring weather. So that one I'm gonna have to leave blank. And then I have been hanging all the consignment. So far, here's where we're at. This is gonna be delayed, but I'm doing pretty well. This consignment thing is, all the stuff is hung up, but now I have to tag it all, which takes some time. So that's probably honestly what I'll be working on all day until it's time for the Zoom call, because it is already, let's see, 1:46. So the day is flying by. So here's a look at everything that I am consigning from that doesn't fit my kids anymore. Like this is a lot of work, but I just cannot stomach myself. Olivia wore this like 3 times. Every like state has their own like consignment sale, I'm sure, and they're all a little bit different, but ours is pretty strict, and all the hangers have to be facing a certain way. The clothes have to be hung up. You have to use their program and affix a tag to the front. One little tip that I have, if you guys do consignment sales for your kids' stuff, is to bundle things like this. So I will call this like a graphic t-shirt bundle, and I will price it to where each shirt is like $3, $2 to $3 depending on the brands. And then I do the same thing with shorts. So there's like 3 denim shorts that don't fit Olivia anymore. And so I'm gonna put those all together, and I'll sell all 3 of those shorts for like $10. So the person buying them is getting perfectly good clothing for such great prices, and I'm getting a little bit of money back too, which is nice. But here's like the whole consignment situation. It covers the whole couch. And then as I hang things for the consignment sale, I also have a bag here where if I come across something like this shirt right here, I'll just show you guys. I don't know if you can see it on camera, probably not, but this is a perfectly good, cute little pineapple shirt from Oshkosh, but it's a white shirt. And in the summer when Olivia would play outside and we'd be outside and things, I would put sunscreen on her. And so there's a little bit of yellowing there. So I'm not going to consign that because everything has to be in perfect condition. So I just keep like a bag there that will go to Goodwill, some toys that they're done with, some decor items. And so yeah, I have this whole situation. All these shorts have to be attached to hangers. So there's probably like 20 pair across the couch, and there's Walter laying in the middle of the floor because the ruggable is gone, and he notices anytime anything changes. Leave me a comment down below if any of your dogs are like that. They notice the smallest things. He notices everything and has to lay down on it because it's different. You guys, it is Sunday and we just got back from church. I stopped at Lowe's on the way home from church and grabbed the paint, which was the last thing on my list for this weekend. I'm getting ready to make the kids lunch. It's about mid-Sunday. My husband and my oldest daughter are on their way home from the soccer trip, and so they will be home around dinner time. So I am just going to spend the rest of the day getting ready for our week coming up, our homeschool week, as well as potting the plants because it actually did warm up today. It's a lot warmer than yesterday. So the kids and I are going to get out in the backyard and do that. But I am going to end this weekend's Get It Done With Me video here because I am checking off the last thing on that list. Make sure you guys check out the link to Built Bar. That will be down below for you guys. You can save 15% when you use my code. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy Get It Done With Me videos and just seeing what I'm up to. I hope this video motivated you and you enjoyed spending the weekend with me. But I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.